So this is how you can download apps without a payment method. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to download any app without needing your payment method. That means you don't have to put in a card or any kind of e-wallet in order to download an app. So first of all, you're gonna want to make sure that you have an iCloud account. It's actually quite easy making one. Just go to iCloud.com on Safari or whatever kind of browser and create a free account using your Gmail, Yahoo, or whatever kind of email you may have. So let's say you want to download a game. I'm just gonna search for games over here, and here we are. So just choose any game you want. I'm gonna tap on this one, Plants vs Zombies, and as you can see, I can simply tap on get, and it's going to immediately download the app without needing a payment method because I am signed in to my Apple ID. And by the way, yeah, I do not have a payment method connected to this Apple ID. So just simply tap on get, and it's either going to use your Face ID, your password, or your passcode for your phone. Surely you know one of those three things because you will be needing those just to open your phone. So yeah, that is how you can download any app on the App Store without needing a payment method. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.